Do you want to develop a e-commerce website? Hey there, welcome to another project-based tutorial where you will build and learn all of this using WordPress. To host online, we will be using Lvato hosting platform, which is affordable and easy to use. Let's start. Website you are seeing on my screen, we are going to make this in our this video. We will make each and these details, like we can see the navigation bar. We have this beautiful navigation bar, then we have this hero section which is looking awesome. Then we have this easy features option, and then we have this best selling products etc. Then we have call to action, and we have reviews option, and then we have this logo section, and then we have footer. So for the products, if you see, we have this beautiful page over here. If we will click to the milk product, we are going to see our product page. Here we have this like free shipping, something like that, additional information, these, and then we have this contact option. From here we can see the get in touch option, and then we can see these details over here, and also you can see this FAQ page here. So we were going to make this website in this video. So first of all, we need to have domain and hosting. What is a domain and what is a hosting? Basically, a domain is like a name to, like a address which will take you to a server or a website. So what is a server? So server is basically like your PC or computer, which is sitting somewhere else in remote location, and it works 24/7, and it's reliable and secure than normal home PC. So now for the domain and hosting, we are, as I told, we are going to use the Lvato. So we will enter our domain name here, whatever we want to buy, like you can enter dairy farms like that, then you can search it. So here you can basically add to cart. If it's available, then you can check out. So you can see here we have this, and now we can check out it. So also, I think so I added these first. Let me remove them. For the domain we have this thing, dairy farms. Also now we need a hosting, which is, I also told you, server. So we have this shared hosting here, which we are going to use as a starter. So you can use this starter plan or business plan. I'm going to use this business plan as a starting point. So let's see. Also I'm going to use the annually, which is going to save 10% to me. So then we have this checkout page here. We are going to click to the checkout. Here we are going to fill our payment and our account information, like our name, it's the email. So this email and password will be your login details. So also remember that. Then you will enter your address, like you can enter like Pakistan, India, whatever you want, and then you will enter your mobile, street address, city name, state. So then you will fill these details. After that you will scroll down and you will see the payment with crypto, easy paisa, jazz cash for the Pakistan, and international bank account for the any person from Pakistan or all over the world. And you can also use the payment method with the crypto. So then we have this captcha here. You will fill that, and then you will complete the order. So once you order this, you will go to the next page, order. Once your account is activated, you will see the dashboard like this. You can basically click to this home page here after paying the payment to the invoice. Then you will select your server, whatever you want to manage. Over here you can also click from the services. Click here and scroll down and click here. So now if you scroll down, you will see your username and password. Then below it there will be a button to go to the hosting panel. You will click it, and then you will basically fill your details, which are these details over here, and then you will log in. So once you are logged in, you will see dashboard like this. So next step will be to activate the SSL. You will scroll down and you will go to the security and click to the SSL and slash TLS. From here you will activate your free SSL. Then what you will do, you will scroll down and you will search for the WordPress here. Now from here it will load this page. Do not select anything, just select your domain and click to the install WordPress. So it will start your installing your WordPress. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes to install and set up your website. Then we will again go to the next step, which is will be the setting up our website for the first time. So over here you can see the installer. So after installation we have this step to complete our settings. Like from here you can enter your site title. So I will not recommend you to enter anything. I recommend according to your website or brand. Now here you will not enter admin or something like that. I will recommend you to use a unique username also in these days because of security hacking stuff. So then I will also recommend you to use the secure password, but for this video I'm using just a random password. So here you can enter your email or you can enter your website email like this. Then you can enter the install WordPress. Click to the install WordPress. Once your WordPress is installed, now we can save our password here and we will. So now let's fill our details and click to remember and log in to our account. So once we are logged in, we will see our dashboard for the first time. So this is our WordPress dashboard and this is our website how it is looking by default once our WordPress is installed. So now from the left side sidebar we will go to the themes and we will click to the add new theme and we will search or we can click to this extra. Here you can see on the website. So click to install it. So it will start installation of the extra template. So now we can activate this template. So now it is activated and we can continue the next setup. So now import the starter template, whatever it is asking us. Now sometimes it will show you the page like this. In this case you will just copy your website URL and then you will continue to the basically paste it in the new tab, or you can remove the whatever after your website slash after only the domain name, I think so. I want to say. So now from here you can see how our website is looking. You can customize these things, but for the site builder it is premium. We do not need to buy this thing. So we will close this thing and we will go back and we will see this thing. So welcome to the starter template. So now you will click to the explore templates and it will start this page over here. Now choose this option and then you will enter the Elementor, and from here you can see this theme over here. I want to find something related to the dairy milk, so I don't found. So now I'm going to use, I think so, this organic one. So there are many templates which you can choose. Some are premium, so you can use free one and then you can later you can customize them with the Elementor is basically drag and drop builder. So we can see this template here, organic one, which I'm going to use for this video. From here we can upload our logo from here, like this logo here. Then I can select it and then I can continue, or I can also change the size accordingly around, I think so I will like around the 150 or 180, whatever looks the best for your logo. You can use that size and then you will basically continue after choosing. So here I'm going to keep them as default. You can also change these colors, like this color or this. I'm going to use the default, and later we will customize them and change them. So now click to continue, and it will start the setup. So now it's saying importing widgets, so now it's finalizing. So let's wait for it. Once it will done, we will move on to the next settings. So now you are done. So what you will do, you will go to your website and close this page. So now you can see we have this amazing website page over here. We will customize some things. I want to remove some sections. I don't need this section over here, but you can keep it for your sake. But I'm not going to. I'm also going to remove this thing. I will change the category. So now let's uninstall some extra plugins which it installed automatically. So go back to the dashboard and scroll down, and yeah, over here I think so you will find plugins, installed plugins. Now from here you will delete some plugins. We don't need card flows, we don't need this one, we also don't need this one, the variations one. So let's delete them also. So let's delete them. So done. So let's close this one, close this one. So now we only have these three options: plugins, Elementor, starter template, and Woo template. So let's go to the dashboard. First of all, we will change our menu. If you see on the menu, we have this home, everything, grocery, juice. Because our is related to dairy, we don't need them. So go to appearances and menus. From here you will see the option. So first of all, I will change this everything to market or shop. I will just say it to the products, which is suitable option today's. Remove this, also remove this. Then you will click to custom links over here, and you will enter slash, or you can basically copy paste your URL, and you will enter home, add to menu. So now you will drag and drop above and save this one. So we have these two options over here, and we will also add the contact here. Let's go to the contact page and add this one. So let's see and add this one. So done. So we only need these pages. I'm not going to use the about page, so I will remove them. So now we are done with it. So now let's customize the header to make something like this. So click to customize. Then you will click to header builder, and from here you will remove this secondary. And also, if you want to keep the account, you can keep it, otherwise you can remove that. So for the margin, I'm going to give it 5% left and 5% right. Don't leak it. We don't need on top and bottom. So for the background, we are going to use the, I will keep it as the background. So let's see other things. So if you see design, transparent header, if you see something others, there will be option to make it in the content. Let me do that. Let me find it. Background, menu, social, color, toggle, cart icon. Okay, so this is not that. So let's see. Okay, the content width. So we are going to basically decrease the width from the full width to content width. It will be, you can say, the around 80% of the screen size. So if we will refresh now, you will see that it will move to the bitrate here. So now it looks gentle like our this one. Now also if you see, we have this little border on some pages because we have this other colors, so it makes very boring. So if you will go to the products, we see this is the cache. So let me refresh it. So if you see, this is white and this is another color. So let's fix them one by one. We can close this page from here. Let's go back, and from the header we will use design and border. From here we will just give it 1 pixel, and we will go back, and for the global colors, and if you scroll down, we have the side color. We can refresh it or we can give it a solid color. So this is the FFF, means white, so we can do that. So now if you see, we have this color here and this color here. I'm going to use that. So let me grab the color picker option here from this one and choose this color. So now we are going to, for the first color we are going to use this color and we will save it. And for the second color links, we are going to use this, but we are going to basically make it little darker. So let's save them and see what happens to the website. So let's go and refresh. You can see this color is changed, but this is not. So let's fix that also. Let's go again to the header. If we see this menu here on the bottom, we will have that. So you can see now we can change it. So it is fixed now. So now let's refresh it. So you can see the color is changed. So also if we go to the products now, if we will see that it is changed and the color of that and this below is fixed. Also on same for the contact page, you can see our contact page is also fixed. So now let's go back to the home page and customize this area according to ours. So for that, what we need to do, we will basically enable the this Elementor is basically drag and drop builder, like you can say other sites builders. So let's do that. Choose the image. So now I'm going to upload my images, all of them. So because again we will upload them again and again, so let's upload them once. So this was the crow illustration, I think so. So let's choose it. Also for the alt, if you want to do the SEO, you can choose like cow farm, something like that here on the alternate text. So you can see it is changed, but we need some options because our text will increase, so we are going to decrease this side of width, and for the right side we are going to increase this to the 60%. So now you can see it is good. So let's copy this text. Let me close this so we can copy easily our text. So this was the text, join the organic. We can paste our text here, and for the get now, let's also paste that, or you can also keep that best quality products, healthy dairy products, something like get best quality healthy products, something like. And for this button over here, we can change this too. We also need to change this color, so let's find the color. Advanced, I think so. No, let's click to this and find the color. So let's choose this theme 1 color, or I think so the black will look good. You can see I think so I also choose the black here because blacks was looking more immersed and clean. So now give it a link. If you see here on the content, we can basically type our shop URL, which is by default is shop. You can also change that. So for now we are going to keep it. So now let's fix this. So from here we are going to say the milk slash products. So I'm going to create this category after some time, but for now I'm just going to use it. So below here you can see this is amazing section. If you want to keep it, you can keep, but for me I'm going to remove it. Also here I'm going to give it a link slash shop, and for the color we can also use that because in our logo on the stars we have the same color. Also this flower is same color as that. Now remove this section and we have this section over here. So for this we are going to just change the image which we already had here. We can use this form alternating text, so it's looking good. Now remove the vegetable from here. On all milk products you can see, so it is changed. Also you can change this below text, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So now for here let's again enter the shop URL here. So slash shop slash, so this is the shop URL. So now if we want to change this color, so let's do that. Also we can choose this color, or we can have this color also we can have this black color. So but I think so this is looking good, so let's keep it. For the brands we don't need them, and that's all for this page. So let's close this. I think so we don't need to edit them. Let me close this and open it in a new window so we can see the details. Let me enter once. So now you can see we have this section, but we don't have the products here because we don't edit the products yet. Now let's fix this footer section. Let's go to customize again, close this, and from below we are going to click here, and for the one column we are going to use, and for the logo let's replace the image with our logo, which was this one. So we can use this logo, or you can have any other thing here. And for the bottom we had this text, I think so this premium quality text. We can copy it and we can paste it here. So you can see we have this thing done here. And for the social media links we can also use other links. If we want to do, we can change this color to the another one, like we can add Insta, but I don't think so we didn't this one. Three are the best: Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. These are mostly used. So also you can add another like YouTube. YouTube, where is the YouTube? Why this is the YouTube? So you can add the YouTube also here, and you will scroll down and you will put your URL here. Also again URL here, URL here, URL here. So that's it for this one. Let's close this page. Now we are going to add the product. So let's go back to the dashboard. If we see on the products, we have this option over here. From here we can remove most of them. I want to keep this eggs, wheat, farm. We can keep some and we can remove also others. Let's trash them and add a new product. So these are deleted. So now what you will do, you will click to add new product, and from here you can enter something like milk cream, whatever the product name, dash 1 liter. You can specify whatever it is. Then in the inventory you can enter your SKU here, whatever it is. Then for the shipping you can use the shipping classes, and for the cage it will be 1, and for the attribute you can also do that, but advanced, if you want to have any note you can show that to user. And here you can enter short description, and this is the main description. Here you can enter your like milk cream. Let's grab a milk cream, like something like this thing. Let's fix this, and we can add like our milk cream description over here. You can design that, and then for the image you will click to here and you will choose this image whatever you uploaded. You can again you can also upload, like if you want to remove this you can remove, and you can upload from the upload files also. So done. So now as I told you, I will use the milk products. So we will add this to the category and this will be automatically selected. For the tags, I don't recommend using tags because in this word, as much as I know that with the SEO and these things, the tags are useless now, according to my situation. So I don't recommend them using them. So let me remove this and also add the price around $9.99. So update this. Now if we will go to the home page, we can see, let me refresh it once. Let me see what is wrong with the best selling products. So I understand it, what was the reason. Let's go back to the our all products. From here we need to make it featured. We can click it, and once star is marked, now we can see this product here. Let's leave it, and now you can see this product is here in the best selling product. So if we go to the products page, we can see the products. Let's refresh it once again. So you can see we have this milk cream here. We can basically shop it. Now you can see we have description here. If you want to like weight 1 kg, something like that, you can enter SKU unit category. Now if you can see we have view cart option here, and also we have this proceed to cart option, checkout. So now let's set up the payments, because if we don't going to receive the payments, what we gonna do? So for that we can use the COD system. Let's go to the WooCommerce setting. Sorry, let me grab this settings page here, because so if you see we don't have any payments option yet. Let's add this payments. First of all, from the setting you will enter your details here, like you can enter your country / state, like from the Pakistan, I can enter like Punjab here. Say you want to specific countries, like you can enter to the Pakistan only, or you can enter also to the other company. So for the shipping location, ship to specific countries only, like you can enter like Pakistan only here if you only want to ship. Otherwise you can leave it as it is and you will just enter your this thing over here. So for next, we are going to enable tax rates, these calculations things. If you want to enable the tax, and you can also change the currency if you want. Enable coupons, you have these options here, and below you will basically save the changes. So now let's go to the shipping and add some shipping fees. So add shipping zones. So whatever you want to give it a name, like shipping zones, like you can say local, whatever you want to say, local. And region in the Asia. For the for the Punjab you can like. And shipping methods, free shipping, flat rate, or like you can add the tax bill none, and you can add $1 fee. And for the same thing you can do with the other ones. Add shipping methods, sorry, for the other you can also do that. So now it's shipping. In the shipping zones we have this local zone here. We can create more zones for the other states, and we can charge them another fees. So for the payments, let's go to the payments. We can enable cash on delivery and bank transfer also, and we can basically receive these options. Also in the menu section you can fill your details here. You can see account number, IBN, etc, like these details you can fill that. And for the other thing like account and privacy, you can enable and disable these things, like allow customer to place the order, like these settings you can do. Account creations, these are the settings. For the emails, if you want to enable or disable some emails, you can do that here. Also you can match your website color, like you can basically enter something like this header color to match your website's header for your email. From the integrations, these are the note you need to do, so leave them as it is. So now if we will refresh this page, we will see these payment methods, and we can basically receive the payments, sorry. So if we will, now we will choose this Punjab here, you will see that it will after once we will fill this detail. Also you can see it has only one country here. You can enter your city address here as it is, whatever you need. You can basically do anything you want, but these are the things. Now for the security and user dashboard, you can see this is basic user dashboard. From he can see his dashboard details, whatever he marked or bought from you, that details over here. So this is our website. So if we want to optimize this website, we will do one thing. Just we will go back to this our website, sorry, this file menu, this website, and from here you can enable your cache. So if you see, by default you have this stack cache over here, and you can also install other cache plugins, like you can see these cache options over here, which you can select according to your needs. From here you can see edge caching option. You can enable one click cache from here, so you can enable global edge cache, and you can see these cache options. From the website optimization, you will have the option to enable the cache. Once you will click this, it will enable your CDN and it will start optimizing your website. So not for it. So now if you will see your website, links, you can see these, most of them will be loading from the CDN. So now let's close them and see them. So now you can see your website. If you will see the links, it will change after some time, from this to this tag cp, something like that. So it will start basically loading your website from the CDN, which will make your website faster. So that's for the another video, we will keep that, and I will show you the techniques to make the website faster. But for now, you can see our website is loading almost in 2 seconds or 3 seconds. So that's very much for it, this video. So hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.